A very good morning, students. Today's topic is test and measurement and evaluation. What is the importance of test, measurement, and evaluation in the field of sports? This is most important question of this topic. Why we are conducting time to time test and measurement and evaluation we are doing in the sports? Number one, for getting the knowledge about progress. See, whatever test we have taken in beginning and after training of 1 month or few weeks, again we conduct the test. Suppose we are preparing a athlete for 100 meter or 200 meter, whatever time individual is giving, after the training of 1 or 2 weeks, again conduct the test. By that we will come to know that our training program is all right and we are going systematic way in the right path, and there is a progress in the performance. That will also we will come to know by conducting the time to time test and evaluation. Second one is for preparation of effective planning. This after conducting test we find that there is no progress in the performance of individual, then there may be our planning failure. So our training plan for the week we will have some kind of modification in that. And what is the diet individual is taking, because physical activity is highly exertion of calories, so there may be the shortage of calories in the body and performance stagnation is there. So that planning can be done only by conducting time to time test and measurements and evaluation, and we can change our training schedule. Next importance is for knowing the abilities and capacities. This is related with the, by conducting test only we will come to know the individual's ability and capacity. What individual athlete can perform, what is the level, what is the capacity of individual, and accordingly our training program will be planned. Next one is for discovering the needs of the participants. What is the actual need of participant, that we will come to know by the test. Need is related, suppose one person is having lower body weak strength weakness is there, or that's your event is like long jump, high jump, you must have enough explosive power in your lower body, your legs, that we will come to know, and we will select the exercises for the individual for developing that strength part. If flexibility part is weak, we will give more emphasis on development of flexibility by following different methods. If endurance part is weak, we will be developing endurance. All those physical abilities, any weakness in the particular sportsman, that we can discover by conducting time to time test and measurement. Next is for motivation. This test and measurement motivate the athlete. Suppose there is a good performance after one test to another test, there is a development, he is motivated to go for further improvement. If sometimes performance is down also, then also individual is both motivated as well as sometimes may go under stress, that my performance after a span of 1 month training it is going down. And good athletes take it as a challenge, that how it has gone down 1 second or 2 second or distance like throw, javelin and all, they will work hard more and do better performance. This is one kind of motivational tool. For classification of sportsman or sports person, classification is related with which game is suiting to your body. Suppose you are having two type of muscle fibers are there, white which fibers and red which fibers. So white which fibers you are having explosive strength by genetic, by heredity, by birth. So you should have explosive nature of games or short distance races. And if you are having red muscle fibers, then you are very slow. So this is related with the selection of the particular event or game. Your body is suiting for volleyball or basketball or football or particular individual events, boxing. This classification is done by conducting test and measurement. See, Sports Authority of India has also launched that scheme long back, talent search team. When they are searching the talents for taking admission in the sports schools and all, they conduct the test and they go for different measurements and later on evaluation of the athlete, and then only they are given particular game for knowing the achievements in future. This is related for whatever test you have conducted and what performance individual has shown, and accordingly you can plan, just like your target achievement. What 12th class we are giving target that you have to bring 90%, 95%. This target achievement is depend upon the performance of the individual. Same way in sports also, suppose you are giving 200-meter timing around 25 seconds, and what individual after 1 year training or half yearly training, further what individual can improve or achieve the target, breaking the records and all. This is future planning, it helps. And last point, research and experimentation. See, test and measure, without research no chances of development is there. This time to time conduct of test and measurement, it helps in the research work also. Improvement of the equipments, improvement of different techniques of particular game, improvement of sports gears, improvements of play fields and all these because of scientific research and all. Nowadays highly records are set in the Olympic level or world championship level. This is because of time to time research and latest technology. So this also help in the test and measurement, help in the research work also. This topic is over here today. Thank you. Have a healthy day.